In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a frame in Figma. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Begin by opening Figma in your browser or the desktop app and sign in. If you prefer, sign in with your Google account by choosing Continue with Google on the login screen. Once you're signed in, navigate to the file or project you are working on and open it. Take a moment to make sure you're in the correct file and on the correct page or canvas so you don't accidentally remove something from the wrong place. On the canvas, locate the frame you want to remove. Click once on the frame to select it. You'll see the selection outline and resize handles appear around the frame, which confirms you've selected the right element. With that frame selected, press the Delete key on your keyboard. The frame will be removed immediately from the canvas. If you prefer working from the left-hand panel, open the Layers panel and find the frame's name in the list. Clicking the frame name there will also select it on the canvas. Once it's selected from the left panel, press Delete and the frame will be removed from the file. This approach is handy when elements overlap on the canvas or when you're dealing with nested frames and need to be precise about which one you're deleting. After deletion, Figma saves changes automatically, and the frame will disappear for anyone else with access to the file. If you change your mind right away, use Undo. Press Command-Z on Mac or Control-Z on Windows to restore the frame instantly. That undo command is your fastest safety net if a deletion was accidental. A couple of quick tips to make this process smoother. Confirm you're on the right page before deleting and double-check the Layers panel if elements are nested or grouped, since deleting a parent frame removes everything inside it. Also, if you're collaborating, communicate with teammates before removing shared content so nothing important gets lost. That's all there is to it. Open your file, select the frame either on the canvas or in the left panel, press Delete, and use Undo if you need to recover it. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, remember to subscribe and like the video.